Yeah.
Oh, SBR! Oh, shoot! Right over there. God damn. It's crazy.
At 3:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Evansville, where all the neighbors moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Babylon and Yuma State Park around 3:40 p.m. Robert Moses State Park and Cadre State Park around 3:50 p.m. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows.
Bro, what the heck is happening? That was short. Not a Bro. Dude, this is so weird. Have so many. Bro, talk to 6-1. There you go.
What's my wedding, Woody?
Hey. There you go. What the hell? That's crazy.
At 3:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fire Island
What
Inlet,
the hell?
moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail.
Large hail.
Source, radar indicated.
Crazy.
Small cracks could be damaged.
Goddamn.
Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will be near Fire Island Inlet around 3:40 p.m.
340.
Voters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, large hail, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with the storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from underground and metal objects.
Bro, what the heck is happening right now? I don't understand.